Now we're going down to the beach. Yes. Dahan-dahan. And it's almost 5 p.m. Hi there, Aika. So, konti lang yung tao nila today. And it's a Friday. So, I hope and feeling ko by tomorrow siya magiging magang. Ayan, so peaceful, so serene. Siyempre, i-ano ko yung sarili ko, diba? Join me. Sige kuya, meron na eh. Hi ka na lang. Thank you. Sige po. Ayan na yung mga folks ko. Oops, lalo lumayo. Mali. Yan. So, pa-low tide na siya. So, for view. Oops. Ito ang beachfront ni Final Option. So, sobrang tahimik dito kasi ang katabi lang namin ay so, this is yung Awesome Hotel naman. So, magkalapit lang sila as in neighbors. And then, wala nang ibang katabing resort. Ayan, sobrang layo na. Meron naman, I think, maglalakad ka ng malayo. So, talagang feeling ko, so, low tide na siya. Kasi, parang nasa gitna na kayo. Hello there! So, we're ready. Hi! And the waves are over there. How was it? How was it, Pansit? Picture na. Picture. Bye. Dito na. Bye.